Piggy Bird Adventures, Part 1, Kylo Ren's Assault. Soon that entire town will be mine. Will it be yours? Shut up! Okay, sheesh. Meanwhile, in the town. Santa's sleigh has been crashed on the roof and King Leonard's been flung off right onto a nearby roof. Yeah, that was a big crash. Whoa! What? Is that the President of the United States? He's showing up. Woo! Trump, get out of there! Repeat, Donald J. Trump, get out of that plane! Yeah. Out of the road, bozo! Hey, Blusha, you just hit Leonard Mudbeard! I like jumping on roofs. Whoa! Off of the rail track, bozo! Why, thank you. Hey, train, what are you doing? You're not supposed to go into there. Ah, great. It's Leonard again. Get off there, you giant bird. Yeah. Good. Nah, I like this view. Uh-oh. That's not good. Looks like Kylo Ren's coming. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Kylo Ren's shuttle! It's about to land! I am Kylo Ren, and I have returned. Oh my gosh! Yeah, Kylo Ren's here! Thus, I'm just one of my many troops. Troops? Yeah, duh, stormtroopers. Alright, hands up. Never. Ow. Ow. Hey, why you kick me off the roof? You better not damage the town. What? Is a Bowser here? No, it's Kylo Ren, you idiot. Hey, don't call Mario an idiot. Mario's smart. Yeah, aliens. Whoa, sheesh, calm down, Luigi. Get out of here, you stupid ad. Stupid ad. What has anyone ever done to you? Hey, why'd you shoot down that plane over there? Oh, great. Now there's two. and a trooper accompanying Kylo Ren. Well, this is just a fine mess. Now the entire town has been assaulted. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's get back to Washington, D.C. Oh, no, you don't. The first door is not allowing you to escape. What? Did he just get shot down? Hey, Kylo Ren, why don't you shoot down the president? What has he ever done to you? I don't know, and I don't care. But you're just a stupid. You'll never be as powerful as Darth Vader. Oh, that makes me mad. Yap. Yap. For the no, yeah. Why, you little... Ha, you stupid plumbers. You stupid pig. Don't call me stupid. Yeah. Such a good life here on this island. Yeah. Hey, I know where Leonard is. Ah, Leonard, he's under attack! Elena, what's he waiting for? No, we can't. Kylo Ren's forces will blast us to pieces. We'll need a space vehicle. But how? We have no access to human space technology. How about that one? Let's go. Okay then. We've left Piggy Island and we're on our way to Piggy Bird City. And there's the battle. Alright, Kylo Ren, get a taste of this. Oh great, he just deflected it. Let's land. Alright, cool. Alright, Kylo Ren. Pick up something your own size. Well, almost your own size. Ah, great, the pigs again. I sometimes wish Red would have a better attitude. Yeah. I heard that. Oh, great. Yeah. Yeah. To be continued.